If you only have 1 or 2 people to sign up for the annual Piano Marvel YouTube competition, it's perfectly simple to go directly to the website and go right to register now. However, for those of you who have multiple students entering the competition, that can be really time-consuming. And because we want this to be a quick, easy project for you, we create a spreadsheet for each individual teacher upon request. Those of you who still need your own spreadsheet, ask us for one by sending an email to contactus@pianomarvel.com. There are 3 very simple steps that I'm going to go over in this video. The first is to fill out this form. The second is to record your videos, and the final step is to upload them to YouTube and send in the link. Step 1. Type in the name of your student, their age, the division that they'll be entering, either solo, ensemble, composition, or freeform, the name of the composition that they'll be playing, and the name of the composer. As you can see, the spreadsheet automatically generates the appropriate title for each video, and it shows up here in column F. And there you go, step 1 is complete. Now for step 2, record your videos. You can use whatever digital recording device you are most familiar with, but I would suggest using your smartphone or iPad. Open your camera app, position the performer or performers within the screen, and begin recording. When the piece is done, end your recording. And there you go, step 2 is done as well. The third and final step is to upload your video to YouTube and add the link to your spreadsheet. First, open the YouTube app. If you don't already have the YouTube app, download it now and log in. If you do not already have a YouTube account, sign up for one because it's free. If you do have a Gmail account, then you actually already have a YouTube account because YouTube is an entity of Google. So use your Gmail information to sign in. Once you're in, click on the video camera icon at the top right. If this is your first time uploading a video, it will ask permission to use the camera, photos, and microphone. Give your permission. Then choose the appropriate video from your camera roll. Next, click More at the top right corner. Give your video a title, the one that you created in the spreadsheet in step 1. Give it a description, set it to public, and click Upload. And don't worry if it takes a little bit of time for the videos to upload, that's normal. Now that you have the video uploaded, click on the sharing icon. Copy the video URL and paste it into column G in the spreadsheet. And voila, you're officially in the contest. Repeat steps 1 through 3 for each of your students.